In your lane. Don't mind me, honey. I'm not here. Not a problem. And yeah, block them. Express if there's a masshole plate. So cute. No, you're not. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. He's gonna run the red. Yes, he ran the red. Suck. He ran that. Here's a cutoff. Ran the red. Stop. Thanks, asshole. Masshole. Yeah, cut him off now. You just ran the red. No? Okay. You just ran the red. Oh, thank you. You're just gonna dive back anyway. I don't know why the hell you did that. See? Duh. Fuck you, Florida. Hey, dumbass. Stop. Oh, we can go now. Oh, see here. Oh, Jesus Christ. You ran the red light. Yo! Oh. A little closer, stupid. Yeah, tell him. Just keep walking when I'm trying to back up, lady. You know? Hey, that was a cutoff. One of these gotta run the red light. One of them has to. This guy's not even moving. You're in the red light. Yes, it's red. You can back up now. Herp and derp, Bim. There's no left turn there, stupid. There's no left turn, you dumbass. Nice. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. Very much run the red. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Don't fuck. You fucking turn, you shithead. It's a stop sign. You're in the red. Two of them are in the red. Don't run that red light. Don't run that red light. You're in the red light. Yeah. And then shitty coffee dive. I'm running red. Not a passing zone, you fuckbag. Stop. F.A. Beers. Earth. Hello, hello, hello. Good. Douchebag. What? Oh! What do we got here? What happened? What are you gonna get? Where are you going? Somebody. Oh, got him. Don't try to cook it. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Don't cut him off, asshole. Don't cut him off. Cut him off. Sorry, really. Yeah. That was a cutoff. Tough guy in the red. We're in the red. Dang. Yeah, you're in the red. 3 in a row. You missed the stop line. You may as well have gone. Jeez. Asshole.